Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to collect phone numbers for SMS on Shopify. Let's get started. So this is really good if you're actually building phone lists, ones that you will send some ads or promotions into. So what you can do is you can click under the apps right here, then click on all recommended apps. Scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. Alternatively, you can just head over to the apps.shopify.com to skip some steps. Now, the next one to do is just click on the search bar and search in here for EA Spin Wheel. And we have this spin wheel email pops up. So let me just search for that. So once you have done this, you should be able to see in here some specific apps you can choose from. So for me, just head over and choose this right here, EA Spin Wheel email pop-ups. So as you can see, it is free and it is built for Shopify. They actually support email and SMS lists wherein you can send coupons, gifts, discounts, pop-ups, pop-ups, SMS pop-ups. So let's head over and click on install right here. Then once you have clicked on the install button, it will actually open a new window wherein it will ask you for access or to successfully install this on your actual Shopify. Just head over and click on install right here. And then once you have installed that, it will load for a while. So let's just wait for that to finish the load process. So this is what the dashboard of EA looks like. So you have here a few premium trials. So what we can do is we can head over in here on our setup. And in here, we can just head over and add another setup. So first thing we need to do is we need to activate the pop-up first. So click on activate right here. As you can see, it's turned on. Now let's choose language. So in here, let's choose English. So let's head over and then choose that. So in here, you can also choose another language that you want. But for me, I'll just stick with the one I know. So in here, they have a lot of language. So just head over and then just choose one that is right for you. So alternatively, it will default in English, like as you can see right here. So next thing you need to do is you just click save right here. And in here, we need to enable the app in Shopify here. So let's head over and click on that. And then this will open a new tab wherein it will show me the app embeds on my Shopify editor. So the Shopify embed or app embeds for Shopify editor is actually the third icon right here, where you can just click on the Control E. So as you can see, it's been turned on by default, but it will only open if you click on it. So head over and click on save. Then once you have done that, it will be saved. So let's head back over here again on our actual EA. Now in here, you can choose pop-up type. It can be a spin wheel, it can be just text. Then the image and text right here, and you need to add an image. So for me, I'll just choose spin wheel, and I'll get the information to collect, which is SMS, or it can be both right here. So for me, I'll just choose the both right here. And then in here, you can also choose automatic triggers and visibility. So for example, let's click on this one every page view right here, and then it can show pop-up on all pages, only homepage, or specific pages that you choose from. So this pop-up will show after 1 second on the page, and you can also enable the scheduling for this, where it will start the end time or the start time as well. So in here, you can actually use all of these things right here, but the subscription is needed to remove the app link. So in here, what we need to do is we need to have a click on save right here. Now, once you have saved that, next thing you need to do is let's preview what it looks like. Click on preview right here. And this is what it looks like. It will collect the email as well as the phone number. And by having this phone number right here, you should be able to build your email list or your phone list as well. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe and it helps me reach more people. See you soon.